Model, 2017 Peugeot Partner 1.6L VTi 98 Chez Spares OR Repairs Petrol Van Ultra Low Miles ULEZ Compliant Grin Trader Margin Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 46,734. MOT, 23 June 2024. Engine, 1598 cc EP6CA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner. We had to outsource a mechanic due to this being a petrol engine. Mechanic had a through look at this, 100% confirmed the wiring loom needs to be replaced for this to get this up and running. He stated the wiring loom going to the fuse box is the issue, hence why some parts have been stripped and put in the passenger seat. Grin. In right correct hands this would be a very straightforward job. Rest of wiring and loom has been tested and green signal has been given. Smiling.